Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm me, your English teacher, and your calm voice of reason.
And I'm Daniel, your friendly learner who still mixes up kitchen and chicken sometimes.
You do, and it scares me a little.
It scares me too.
Today, we will talk about a fun topic, something people love to imagine.
Food?
No, not food. Today, our topic is how to talk about your dream house in English.
Nice. My dream house has a pizza room.
Please stop.
I can't. It's a condition.
Before we start, dear listeners, relax. Imagine soft lights, warm tea, slow English.
Breathe in, breathe out, and imagine your perfect house.
Great. Let's go over simple vocabulary. Yard, garden, balcony, roof, garage.
Living room, bedroom, bathroom, pizza room.
Why do I even try?
When someone asks, what is your dream house like? Start with size and style. Big, small, cozy, modern.
Like, my dream house is big and bright. It has large windows.
Perfect. Then location. Near the ocean, in the mountains, in a quiet village.
Or far away from noisy neighbors who fight about laundry.
Sadly common.
Inside the house, describe rooms. There is a large living room. There is a bright kitchen.
And style. Wooden floors, simple walls, modern design.
And add feelings. I feel happy. I feel calm.
Happiness matters.
My dream house has big glass windows, so I can judge the weather without going outside.
Very practical.
And maybe a rooftop garden.
Lovely.
Let's give model sentences for listeners. Repeat after us. My dream house is located in.
My dream house has.
Inside my dream house, there is.
I feel blank in my dream house.
Now, sample answers. My dream house is small and peaceful. It is on a hill with trees. Inside, there is a cozy living room and a quiet study room.
And mine? My dream house is near the beach. It is bright and open. It has a long balcony and a fridge full of snacks.
Not again.
Snacks are life.
Common mistakes to avoid. My dream house has, not is have. There is, there are, not there have.
And adjectives. Bigger, smaller, not more big.
Prepositions too. In the mountains, near the city, close to, not close with.
English prepositions just want chaos.
Daniel, give a full dream house description.
My dream house is near the beach. It is big and bright. It has large windows and a long balcony. Inside, there is a huge living room and a large kitchen. There are 3 bedrooms. There is also one secret snack room. I feel calm there.
Now mine. My dream house is on a small hill. It is cozy with wooden walls and warm light. There is a small kitchen, a quiet living room, and a study room. Trees surround it. I feel peaceful there.
See? Easy. Describe place, outside, inside, feelings.
And use simple sentences. Time for review. Start with size/style, big, small, cozy.
Then location. Near the ocean, in the mountains.
Then outside, garden, yard, balcony.
Then inside. Rooms, colors, furniture.
And how you feel. Thanks for listening.
And for dreaming.
See you next time.
Bye.